Okay, this is Roger Moore, Moore's VW Garage, and I'm here to give you an update on Steve Murphy's Super Beetle 1979 model. It's a L97A diamond silver metallic. He just bought this car, and we had taken the fuel injection engine out of it. It's sitting here on the ground here now. It's available for sale. Turnkey, got some the wiring harness, fuel pump, computer, relay box. It's a good running engine. I have a video out there, engine in the car running and going down the road. No knocks. It's a solid little engine. Anyways, went ahead and got the engine in the car from the last time I gave an update, and we'll go ahead and take a look at it here. Start it up for you and show you what's going on here. Got a little tripod here set up. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to bring it out a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Set it up there. Okay, so ready? Wow, look at that. Let me put some light on it. Okay, so you can see it's ready for the show. I've already talked about the motor and what it's got on there, but the only thing I've done differently now is I changed the distributor cap because one of my buddies, Jeff, said, hey, change that distributor cap, and he's right. Looks better with the black one. And anyways, got all of it sorted, electrical, cables, everything. I'm using a vintage speed super heavy duty cable with a vintage speed gas pedal. We'll go and talk about that a little bit maybe. But for right now we're going to start it up and let you watch it fire up for, well, I got it running today here in the car, so this is about the fourth time I've let it run. Okay, so here we go. Using the existing fuel pump wiring and wiring underneath the back seat, using a relay to those signal wires, and then anyways, fuel pump gauge in there, reading just over 3. That's pretty good. All right. like. You know, of course, all hooked up, working just fine. Going to be running 2 gauges for oil pressure and oil temperature. I've got those wires inside now, so I'll be working on that this week. Still going to do some last minute tunes on it. Set the air fuel mixtures and make sure that the synchronized, you know, make sure they're still synchronized after I've taken it apart, put it back together, put it in the car, put it back together. So sometimes, you know, there's going to be a little minor tweaks to make it run right. But as far as the Bluetooth, that's number one. I like it. Got heat in the car, heater boxes. Had to use aftermarket heater boxes, kind with the levers at the top. On a late model Super Beetle, as you may or may not know, on a fuel injection heater box, those levers are at the very top. Levers, the rods or the cables that come out of the car come straight up instead of down on the forks. So you can't use early model heater boxes on these type of cars. Gave it some new turn signals. Go ahead and turn those on so we can see them at night yet. So these turn signals are Hella brand from Mexico. They were complete housings and lenses. Put new bulbs in it. Kind of like the grease. Backward wiring was pretty good coming into the headlight, taillight assembly. Ones that were on there before were a Euro lens with a Mexican bulb holder. The Mexican bulb holder was cracked. So they were aftermarket, like Omega brand or something like that. Anyways, these are OEM Hella. Not bad. Forget where I got them from, but the box that came in. Yeah, that's the brand, in case you're wondering. Here's the brake lights real quick. More things to do with the car, but back here on the motor side, I'm done with it except for tuning the carburetors a little bit more. But I am not really. Everything's done, nicely finished. We did that taillight wiring. And it's very super clean. Go ahead and go in for a closer look. ahead and look at the car real quick. This way you can see what we got going on there. So we did a vintage air-cooled parts steering wheel. This is a suede steering wheel with a black Wolfsburg badge. I think this is a 15-inch. Did his matching door handles, are really nice. And then did of course the Fat Boy wide pedal upgrade, and this is a vintage speed accelerator pedal. It's really nice. You can tell. Show you the back side of this. This is a nice ball, very heavy duty. Bolts on as far as the throttle cable. I'm going to be doing some other upgrades back here. Battery, gave it a new strap, cleaned it, put a clamp there for my buddy Jeff. He was like, hey, you need a clamp? No, don't need a clamp. I have one. And here's our electronics we got here. We've got the defrost. Fuel pump, and hard start. Hard start wire going to the back. It's coming from the ignition switch. Fuel pump wiring is using exact existing wiring that was here. That was going to the computer / relay, and then defrost was the existing wiring that was here for defrost. Defroster actually was not on a relay, so now it's on a relay. Should have been on a relay from the beginning. It wasn't, but yeah. So maybe this will work, maybe not. Heat works good. Did a nice alignment with the levers. You see the levers open, and I turn the heat on here. I know you guys can't feel it, but I can tell you right now, there's nice hot air coming from there. Now, this car, when it was made in California or wherever, they didn't cut open the heater provisions here. We will. I have some plastic heater vents that will go in here. And we have a vintage speed shifter going in here. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, but yeah, this stock shifter is here up underneath this carpet, and previous owners cut the carpet a little bit, and see if we can't fix that up some. Anyways, I'm gonna shut the heater off here. And we'll go ahead and shut down the car. Okay. Like I said, this is a real nice car. Canvas rag top. Real nice. Real nice. Doors shut really nice. See that? Shuts really good. It's got a nice paint job. Presents really well. Gonna go over the brakes a little bit. Missing the bump stops here, obviously. We put a little piece of rubber on these guards. It's got drum brakes still up front. We went ahead and upgraded the front to a Hella H4 lens. And we have LED bulbs inside, which are pretty good. Pretty bright. Just want to give you an update. That's where we are at the Moore's VW garage, and hopefully everyone's doing well. We're in February now, so look forward to more projects, and keep on Volkswagen, and okay, have a good time. And if you need anything, let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would. Take care. Bye.